Taoyuan International Airport has seen steady growth in passenger and cargo volume throughout 40 years in operation. Today, we are making great strides towards sustainability through cutting emissions, improving air quality and energy efficiency. From 2019 to 2020, Taoyuan International Airport won ACI Platinum recognition for upgraded jet bridge electrical and AC systems and water resources management. In 2021, won Silver for Air Pollution Reduction Program, and in 2019, formed a committee with 19 other airports to actively promote energy conservation and emissions reduction. In June 2021, we are awarded for Air Pollution Reduction Program and was ranked most environmentally friendly airport in the Asia Pacific. Air Pollution Reduction Program focused on 3 steps: electrifying 148 ground vehicles, installation of an automated monitoring system for incinerator, promotion of a taxi rideshare service that reduces emissions from idling. These efforts resulted in 10.1 tons less total suspended particulates, TSP, and 49.9 tons less carbon monoxide. The emissions reduction efforts are globally recognized. We will continue to implement environmental protection policies and strive for a Level 4 Airport Carbon Accreditation from ACI. Creating a green transportation hub at Taoyuan International Airport